Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are team 3 in Informatics class 2B. We will present you about our final project, Melodies. What is Melodies? Melodies is a web-based rental music application. I will introduce you to Miss Cynthia Lasmi Andesti Eskom MCOM as a project manager of our project in this semester. I will introduce you to our member. First is myself as a leader. Second is Bunga Citra Lestari as a member. Third is Birgita Anastasia Huta Barat as a member. And last is Lydia as a member.
Before we dive into the urgency, let me walk you through what is Melodies first. Melodies is a web-based platform that makes it easier for people to access high-quality musical instruments without to buy them. So, why does this matter? Because in reality, so many people want to make music, but they can afford to buy the instruments. With Melodies, we aim to make sure the instrument reaches the people who truly need it. Next, let me walk you through some key features of our application. First, we have tenant registration. Users can quickly sign up and renting in no time. And next is login and logout, a simple and secure access whenever users need it. And we also offer profile management, so users can manage their details and preferences. They also can edit their profile whenever users need it, like changing their name or contact info. And finally, one of the most useful tools is the musical instrument search. Users can quickly find the instrument they need based on type and availability.
Yes. We also offer some additional features, such as users can view detailed information about each instrument, including description, condition, and availability. They can rent the instrument directly through the website and use a cart feature to manage selected items before making the payment. We also provide a secure and easy-to-use payment system. And after renting, users can leave reviews and give ratings to help others. And when users search for the instruments, the application displays a clear list of matching results. Next. So for this application, we use two frameworks. For the backend, we use Laravel to manage the system, handle data, and keep everything running securely. As for the front end, we use Tailwind CSS to design a clean and responsive user interface.
Okay, next is ERD or Entity Relational Diagram. In Melodies system, we use to secure that the rental history or rental process is already structured, well documented, and efficiently managed by customer and admin perspective. More especially like to manage the customer data, to track and manage the transaction, and then to log the historical rental. And then in our ERD, we have the 6 entities like customer and admin for students and user. We have the music instrument is item being rent, and then we have the rental order and rental transaction for the activity of rental. And then the last we have the musical rental history. Okay, next we have the use case is diagram is illustrate the interaction between the customer and provider as an admin tool. And here we can see the admin can just verify account user, manage the musical instrument, and then manage the transaction and manage review and ratings. And in admin and user side is can manage profile, sell music and rental, and then complain and giving review and rating.
Alright, in the testing result, we use Selenium IDE to test the automation of several pages. As you can see, all the pages is completed successfully. The example is registration page. The register completed successfully.
During development, we encountered several challenges. First, selecting the right result logic was quite complicated. And then our UI UX design went through multiple revisions as the initial design didn't fully reflect the vision and needs. And lastly, we had to continuously adapt to additional features as the project evolved.
So maybe that's all of our presentation of our project in this semester. Thank you for your attention.